Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on Badger DAO token. Today I want to show you how the price line of Badger has formed a very big falling wedge, and soon it can break out the resistance of this falling wedge, because at the same time on the small time frame it has also broken out a bull flag as well. But before starting the analysis, I would like to make it clear that this is only for the educational purpose, not any financial advice. And if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then you can subscribe to it first, and you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. Okay, first of all, I would like to begin with this pattern that I shared last time for my members at the Patreon on 20th of September, when the price line of Badger completed a harmonic move, and this was a bullish harmonic shark move on the 12-hourly time frame chart. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line reversed bullish from here after the completion of this leg, and moved up and hit the sell zone. It reached up to $20.61 and moved down again, moved up again, and hit the sell zone, moving sideways right now. Now, this up and down move, this volatility has formed a falling wedge on the daily time frame. This was, by the way, on the 12-hourly time frame chart. Now, if we move to the daily time frame chart, then here you can see that the price line is still moving in this falling wedge, and the formation of this falling wedge was started here on 7th of August, and we had a rejection here, and now right now the price line is again at the resistance of this falling wedge, and we also had several touches at the support as well. So this is a valid support and resistance, and the price line has formed a very valid falling wedge on the daily time frame, and this is considered as a bullish reversal pattern among the traders community. And if I place the volume profile on the complete price action moving within this falling wedge, then we can see that it is also showing the traders interest very low below this level. So it is possible that the price line will be reversed at least up to this level, where we have a strong interest of the traders, and while doing that, the price action can break out the resistance of this falling wedge. We also have some moving average resistance levels, like we have this 50 simple moving average resistance, and this yellow line is the 200 simple moving average. That will be the big resistance. However, the target for this falling wedge will be the tail of this falling wedge, that is approximately at $34. Now, if we switch to the small time frame, 4-hourly time frame chart, then here we can see that the price action formed this bearish pennant and broke out the resistance of this bearish pennant. We also had a very nice rally here that has formed a pole of the bull flag, and this is the complete formation of a perfect bull flag on this 4-hourly time frame chart. And after this breakout, we can expect an imminent move up to this target, that is $20. Recently the price line went very close to this target but moved down again, and I'm expecting that after this correction we can expect another move, and the price line will hit this first sell target, and then we can expect another move up to $23.5. that is the measurement of this pole that I have placed here at the breakout point. And after placing it here at the breakout point, we can expect a move approximately at $23.8. Therefore, conservatively, I have defined the sell target at $23.5. However, on the daily time frame, once we will have, because after this breakout, and once the price line will start this move, hit this sell target or this sell target, it will be also out of this resistance of this big falling wedge pattern. Then we can also expect this move to hit the sell target of this falling wedge, that is $34. And we can also use this recent swing low before this breakout, that is $18, as a stop loss. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.